Welcome to my education channel. This is the best channel to share, learn, and can be used as a media to teach your student. Please subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Today we will learn about check and wash guest laundry. The agenda of this session are: collection of guest laundry, sorting guest laundry, check pocket of each item, check the color, check fabric, check style and design, check for stain, pre-wash process, how to make washing process easier, spot clean, hand washing, using laundry net bag, what to do after wash, flat or hanger dry, tumble drying, pressing. First, collection. Pick up soiled guest laundry from inspection area where soiled laundry has been pre-sorted, marked and recorded. Sorting. Sort the soiled laundry piece by piece. Select items to be dry cleaned and make sure that each garment is not wrongly washed. Separate clothes according to colors, fabrics and dyeing quality. Separate the clothes into 4 categories: white, light, dark, delicate. Check pockets. Check pockets properly to prevent any objects remaining in the pocket to damage the garment when it is in the machine, such as keys, sharp object and especially pen. Check color. Check color, looking for color loss or dye stain. If found, send it back for inspections, then carry out service accordingly. Carefully check color to sort them into dark, light colored and white for washing to prevent any color loss and dye stain. Check fabric. Carefully check the fabric of each garment and sort out silk, wool, leather, rayon, viscose or 100% polyester, cotton. Separate them into machine wash or hand wash. Check style design. Check pocket buttons, zip, elastic band and decorating ornaments of each garment. Decide whether to hand wash or machine wash. Check stain. Check laundry piece by piece to inspect for stains. Separate them into light soiled, medium soiled and decide whether they need pre-washing or may be put directly into the washing machine. Pre-wash. Soak heavily stained garments in water or detergent, can easily remove stains. Soak time can be from 1 hour to 24 hours, depending on the stubbornness of the stain. To make washing process easier, brush parts of garments, such as collars, cuffs, and stain spots. Do not brush too hard. Spot cleaning. Spot cleaning requires a more professional treatment than others. Practical of pre-treat guest laundry with stain required. Hand washing. Garments that may easily tear, discolor, or get out of shape should be hand washed. Machine wash. According to different colors, fabric or designs, use different washing formulas. Consider washing time, extraction time and detergent usage quantity. Dry clean guest laundry. Get the guest laundry to be dry cleaned close to dry cleaning machine. Check properly if there are any damaged shining or stains. Check the pocket by putting your hand inside it and spread it out. Check if there is any button broken or missing. Check if the item is too delicate, if there is possibility damage after wash. If any mentioned problem is found, return it back to the marking and sorting section. Ensure to segregate only fabrics clothes with dry cleaning label. Refer to task number 7, operate dry cleaning machine. Use laundry net bags. Nylon net bags are to be used for washing stockings, socks and small items. What to do after wash. Check the clothes one by one. If any item needs to be rectified, return it to the respective section. Dry guest laundry. Flat or hanger drying. Hand wash garments are usually dried flat or hung. Tumble drying. Elastic bands may easily be loose during tumble drying. It should be flat or hanger dried. Low and medium temperatures are usually used for guest laundry. 65 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius. Get the following equipment: laundry trolley, mask and hand gloves. Check the drum before loading to ensure there is no sharp object. Read the fabric instruction and ask the supervisor should there be any unidentified fabrics. Do not assume when it's not clear. Load maximum of 75% from the machine capacity and lower temperature not more than 60 degrees Celsius. Before closing the door, ensure there is no linen left stuck in the door. High temperatures 70 degrees or up should not be used for guest laundry. Cool air is very important for drying. In 10 minutes, the cooling action can recover the fabric and form as well as making the garment softer. Pull out dried guest clothes gently from drying tumbler. Put into clean laundry trolley separately. Send to ironing section. Let us continue to the next session. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Thank you.